Most people will not notice this, but once you see it, it cannot be unseen. Let me show you guys what it is.
Most people don't notice this, but these body lines are off. When the lines aren't straight, the car looks cheap, even if everything else is done. So today, Rick is blocking the panel, reshaping the line, and fixing the mistakes that were made along the way. Clean body lines make the car look 10 times straighter and way more intentional. This is the difference between modified and built.
There you guide it. It's straight and it curves. Okay.
Where are we at with this? Where are we at?
So I removed any excess material that I think should be removed before I add any material to level this out. Of course it's going to need some, maybe a little bit, maybe a lot. I won't know until I run the tape. Once I run the tape, I'll have an idea where the high and low spots are. And I'm going to try to add just enough so I don't have to spend a lot of time removing the material. I'm going to get really fucking saucy and nice. It's obvious.
Yeah, you can already feel it. Coming along. So what's the next steps? What's the next steps, brother?
It is to do this section right here. We're gonna block this and get it to where it's level, and then we're gonna do this section. Or we can jump. We'll focus on this bottom piece right here. So we're gonna do this. So just to let everything else dry.
Okay. Alright guys, and just like that, we are done with this panel. It came out really looking good. Like I said, the little issues that I had was the body lines, just defining those body lines. And if you didn't know what you were looking for, or if you don't know what to look for, you won't really be able to tell. But someone like Rick, he knows what he's looking for, and he knows how to tell and identify these things, and he knew these body lines were not perfect. So we got to it, we worked them out, he worked them, and he made them look amazing, and now they look more defined. They look way better than they did from the start. Like I said, you won't really be able to tell unless you knew what you were looking for. Someone like myself didn't really see it actually until Rick started pointing it out, and I was like, oh damn, that's crazy. And now it looks even better. So other than that, guys, thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.